In this video, I'll show you how to mention a group in your WhatsApp status. If you want to tag a group in your status, just follow these simple steps. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Tap on the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen. Then, tap on the camera icon or Add Status to create a new status. Next, choose a photo or video from your gallery or capture a new one. Once you're on the status editing screen, tap the @ symbol at the bottom. A list will appear showing your contacts and groups. From here, select the group name you want to mention. You can also choose multiple groups if needed. After selecting, tap the tick button to confirm. Finally, tap the send icon in the bottom right corner to post your status. That's it. Your WhatsApp status will now notify the group members based on your privacy settings. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips.